I'm very excited to be here. My name is Kåre, and I've been coming to Cape Town for 22 years actually. And the last 5 years or so, I've also been offering some trainings and workshops here. And what happens in these conversations is that in every conversation, the person leaves more optimistic than they came. And people everywhere want the same thing. Satisfaction. Happiness. Connection. Peace. Love. Success. I would like to invite you guys to do a little exercise. You're going to practice to be a coach, actually. Very simple. Because the most important coaching skill is to keep the mouth closed and the heart and ears open. If you understand that it's all about asking good questions and listening and helping people find their own answers, if you have understood that, the rest you can actually learn yourself by practice, by Google. But listening, you can't learn from a book. Can I hear just one word or one sentence from some of you? How was this whole experience from some of you?
Liberating.
Liberating.
Comforting. Reassuring.
Reassuring, comforting, empowering.
Yeah, it's a reaffirmation.
Reaffirmation.
Yeah. Informative.
Informative.